Alright guys, we're back with another vlog on Yardie Belly TV, and today we're actually going to go to a basketball game with the Miami Heat versus the Orlando Magic, and it's going to be like a really weird game because like the famous basketball player Kobe died like yesterday, so it's going
to be a sad game, a somber game.
Yeah,
you know?
I hope they do like a tribute or something. And we're just gonna go to the game and just watch it like a regular game, I guess. But we're here chilling, and we're just gonna check you in when we get to the stadium. So, okay, guys. So update. Why am I red?
Because the brake light is on you.
Update, guys. We're still stuck in traffic after like an hour later, but like we just saw like a good, I don't know, 20 cars pass by us, and then like a good 4, like you know those coach buses that celebrities drive in,
like tour buses
pass us. So we're thinking that probably a celebrity is going downtown, maybe for the game that we're going to, but we don't know yet.
But we're stuck. Show them the traffic.
We're stuck. Look at the traffic. Like, it's literally all the way down there to the game. And literally, it's like 6:30, and the game starts at 7:30. 7:30. So, yeah. But it might be the Chiefs or the 49ers for the Super Bowl, because they're already down here in Miami for the Super Bowl.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of stuff happening too downtown, so
yeah, so
but we're trying to get there. It's just that the traffic is rough. Yeah, it's an adventure. We just got to treat it as that, right?
Yeah.
If we get in, we get in. If we don't, we don't.
Yep. So stay tuned. Two?
What are the Lamborghinis?
Yes, bro.
So we passed where we're supposed to go. We have to go back. We're all the way up in the nosebleed section, guys. We're way up at the top, so we gotta go back around and then enter through. Yeah, see if we can get situated. I'm not used to all of this. Joshua is used to it. He's acting like he's been here so many times. He's been here about 4 times. He's like, oh, I know this like the back of my hand. Come on, come on.
No, I have a
Yep.
brilliant and passionate player, Bryant was a five-time NBA champion with the Los Angeles Lakers, the team with whom he spent his legendary 20-year career. The future Hall of Famer earned 18 NBA All-Star selections, an NBA MVP, 2 Olympic gold medals, and displayed a relentless approach to a game he dearly loved. We offer our condolences to Kobe's wife and Gianna's mother, Vanessa, as well as the entire Bryant family. And we now ask that you join us in 24 seconds of silence as we remember and honor the lives of Kobe and Gianna Bryant.
Kobe, 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 Kobe.
Kobe Bryant with a 24-second violation.
Kobe, 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 Kobe.
Bryant on an 8-second violation.
Awesome.
Green? Oh.
For us, I think this was the most touching part of the whole entire night, when we are listening to, Kobe's own words of how he loved the game and the reasons why, he went out and did what he did and achieved what he achieved and sought to be the person that he is. In his own words, with a video produced by himself, for which he won an Emmy Award, he spent the time and just, I think, encouraged so many young people through this simple little animation and his dialogue. He was a great guy in the sense where he did a good job making himself, sticking to it and making himself a winner. He had feelings like everybody else. He had faults like everybody else, but he stuck to the game and he did the best he can. And the end result is that we all know the name Kobe as a result, And so it was really touching to see how the crowd reacted, see the entire league, putting out effort. And as a father, it really and truly was a good thing for us to have been here. Me with my son, honoring somebody who became a family man and did his best to achieve as much as possible in the time that was allotted to him. Yeah, we're enjoying this, and I do hope that everybody who watch a video enjoy it too, because it came out to be a good thing. Yeah, man, trust me. Kobe, 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 Kobe. Kobe, 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 Kobe. Yep, so that's the end of the game, guys. Miami won. Yep.
113, the Orlando Magic, 92. And he fans, stay tuned for our Women's Circle interview with Jason Jackson. Coming up, just a minute.
So we're done with the game and we're heading home now. If we can find our way, we try to get out of here. I think we have to go back down.
Yeah, it's right there.
Where? Wait. We are downtown Miami. What's going on, Josh? Talk to the people then.
We just finished the game and the Heat won.
Look at the stadium. Bam. This has a memorial to Kobe on top of it. And all these people walking around. We're just trying to delay a little bit because of the traffic and the crowd. Yeah. It was a great game. Miami Heat won. And there's Josh the Real. So that was our night at the Heat game. It was good. It was really good. The game was good, but also what was really good was all the people them was really cheering for Kobe, and the Miami Heat spent a whole lot of their time, putting together clips and even the little mini movie that Kobe had produced. That little cartoon thing that we were watching, Dear Basketball. That's Kobe, He made that thing and he got an Emmy for it. He got an Emmy award for it, and it was such a good time, And I get to spend time with Josh the Real, and you know what? I couldn't ask for more for a better evening. And our tickets were sponsored by one of my brothers in Christ, and we're just thanking God, man, for the opportunity once again to get out and to spend some time, at the Miami Heat Stadium. Yeah. So we're trying to get home now, but again, the traffic is terrible. Let's see what happens,